Okay, it's a, yeah, it's a double story. I just these files copy pasted from another file. That's all empty. Normally if you go Barat SS example folders, just copy. When I get any new projects, I copy all the folders and put it there before we start. And then we start filling in. It's all empty, just example template folders, empty folders. So go back again to this, our project, this one. Nothing, it's all folders are empty. So the design is already being done by another designer, but it's moved here. It's already the same project, same everything, same land size, and also plan of subdivision here. So it's lot 611, which is this one. Okay. And here 611, 611, 611, that is this one. You have to leave 4 meter setback. Okay, front setback. So the guy wants us to copy the design. Exact same design. So all the task is you, but of course, exact same design, nothing changed in the design. Same layout, first floor, but shows up below. Roof plan. All what he wants is to have a pitch roof here in the 3D pitch roof, and these pillars continue to the roof. These pillars continue to the roof, up to the roof. Okay, so it's like layout same. Length size, you can get it from here, you can get it from here. I think the driveway is gonna be somewhere here. Okay, and you just finalize the project as per our drawings, not as per this guy. Exactly. Exactly. That's all. I have contacted today the land surveyor to get the feature survey and soil. You can start now until we get the feature survey and soil done. So for double story, I can take a copy of projects. I have completed double story because the double story this is the same guide, double story PDF. No, don't want to use this one as an example project. I'll give you another example double story house because we have a lot of single story, but you didn't do double story with me before. So I'll simply give you another example of double story. I'll give you this one, maybe as a double story. So yeah, it's not in the project. I will just move it to you. So The reason I gave it to you, because the levels, see here, I want the level to be like this, 2.7, and then 350, which is the structure, and 3.7, just to follow these levels. So this is from ground floor to first floor, 327 plus 350, 27 plus 350, 3050. So this one, 3050 here, and then this roof 2.7. Okay. I will put this project as an example, copy. Put it here, new example, paste. This is the, do you want the Revit or just a PDF? Okay, copy. Maybe the Revit file because it's done. Okay, done in 2021, so you probably need to upgrade the model. So the Revit, I will put it in the Revit file, paste. So you just have to change the project address to match this one and follow. So in the Revit, do you know how, like do you have the software that can change the PDF to CAD, export it to CAD? And Bluebeam here, there's something, but it's a latest version, it's not my version. You can actually export it straight away to CAD, from PDF to CAD. But because I don't have this one, so what I'm doing normally, I'll give you an example of what I'm doing. Or just open any other file. So what I can do, up to you how you're gonna do the layout. But what I do sometimes, if I have a PDF, I take a screenshot. Okay, make it created image. Okay, Control S, or just save it. Shelf. So I took an image. So what I normally do, where is here? Go view. Like even here, if you look down, you will see some images. See? Image. Sometimes I do hide, for example. And you can see a lot of images. Oh my goodness. A lot of images. So I'll take an image and say, okay, this is 3.1 meter. Do you see? Here's 3.1 meter. So I'll make it scale, like I make line, create line, 3.1 meters, 3.1 meter. If this one like too big, for example, this is too big, like this. I'll make a line 3.1 meter. Then I take this one and make it scale. And I say scale from here to here. Then the PDF is scaled into scale. You know this? Yeah, so sometimes I take image and scale the drawing based on any scale on the, just create line, like this is 3.3, 3.300. And I say, okay, I want this one 3.3 scale it from here to here, becomes like this. So that's what I know sometimes I do. So you can, whether you have two options, whether you do to CAD or you take an image of this and scale it on the drawing and draw above. Those are going to schedule as per my one, not as per them. But the window look, this is owing, just make it owing, exactly the same. Like same design, don't change anything. Let's owing, make it owing. Yeah, keep the design same, but our schedule, same hour, everything. And I think their level is correct too. So maybe before you start the drawing, set up your project level to this level. It looks like it's the right level. So this is 100,555, the example projects that I give it to you. Example PDF, where is the PDF? Ah, 100.44. So I think you just have to raise up this 150. Then start modeling the building. Same comments here, same everything. Our standard, typical details, livable housing. This is not livable housing code. That wasn't livable housing code. Yes, livable housing code fits with everything. Maybe you need in the PDF, in the CAD file, you need to add these sheets. You remember the sheets for livable housing code? Typical details. Add it. Fix the sun direction, because this is not, like, do the whole work. So you just copy paste the design and make it like looks like our projects. But just do these changes, only these changes. Make these pillars up and make a pitch roof here. And it's our design, you add another sheets as per the other guide. If you open any Parat project, anyone, you will see this details copy pasted from any other project. Okay, easy. Thank you so much. So nine, bless you. Which one are you working on? Yes. Yes. Oh, yes, please. And then you do this one. I think this would be enough work for you. Because tomorrow I have all the day meetings, so I'm not gonna be much of the attending. Then Friday, I hope the Friday you can start with this project. 1 second. Okay, what else? So I'm gonna stop screening now. If you don't stop sharing. We are Do you remember when did you start working with me? Because I can't remember. Yeah. So you started beginning all April. Okay. Will you send me an invoice by end of April? Or yes. Yes. Okay. And in the invoice there is a bank detail, and the bank detail is in Vietnam. Australian bank. Wise, I think so. So I will transfer. Okay, it will be easy. So you will give me the details, and I will transfer to this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No problems. Okay. No worries. And what else I want to tell you? I don't remember. Sorry, I forgot. So everything is okay. Fine. Nothing to worry about. Okay. And you still cannot go into admin email, correct? Yes. I think I spoke with my IT. She said I think we can recover the account from my computer, something like this. I didn't get a step verification steps because it's happened again. It's not you only you. I got a computer on the office and I did try to log in from admin. It didn't let me. It didn't let me. But when I logged into my email HEPA, it's logged me. But in the office one, I don't want people use my email. I want people to use admin. So it's the same. I got the same issue that I cannot log in from the office computer from admin. And yeah, she said, I think I need to recover the account from your computer. Any other device is probably treated as a suspicious login. So I think she needs to go in my computer here and do something. See, in IT, I'm very bad. No, so not sure. So anyway, okay. So if you have anything to want to speak with me, any comments from your side, any updates or upgrades or advice or something, or asking a question, yeah, feel free. All what I just wanted you to know that is like it's better you review the job and spend a good time reviewing your job, like judge your own work. And it's very easy. Like if you've done a few, you will just pick it up because it's all repetitive. If you, yes, yeah, yes, yes, correct. Yes, you're right. It's gonna be get a lot easier because I wanna reach you to the point that I don't have to review after you finish. See, last month, like January, February, March before you start was a very, 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 very difficult. We were had a lot of projects, and literally I couldn't review anything. Whatever the person finished the job, I would just send it straight away. I can't even have a minute to look at it. Nowadays, it's a bit. You are coming in the calming time. I wasn't like this before, but it's good that is I can review. Sometimes I don't have time to review. like I have to finish and say, okay, send it straight away. I know it's wrong thing. I have to review everything, but it's sometimes and sometimes it was a lot of mistake, to be honest. It's even mistake from my side because when I rush to, I do mistakes too. Like everyone is doing mistakes. Anyway, the Bara builder, he's one of the biggest client, and I'm going to meet him tomorrow. And I think he wants someone to work specifically for him under my supervision. He wants someone to work in the office. We will discuss this tomorrow. I told him I have a very good guy that is working offshore in Vietnam. We will see what we can do, but of course we will continue together. Um, you know what I mean? But I'm just letting you know, speaking with you so you understand the system and how we are running our business. Okay, I'm so glad that I have get to know you, and but I want and I want to continue working with you. Yeah, so far so good, and I think it will get a lot better from maybe by end of this month. Anyone needs at least a month to observe everything. It's a lot of information, a lot. Even for me, at the beginning, I have to read a lot, and also for you, sometimes you got the standard, you got access to the standard. I show you where Liverpool housing codes, small lot housing codes. You can go and just double check or reading or do ChatGPT. And for me, sometimes I get RFI, I don't understand it. I do ChatGPT, asking a question. Sometimes I contact the building survey. So I don't know everything too, you know. It's okay. Like it's okay. You ask a question. You go read the standard related to this item. Ask someone. Ask the building. See, it's all like this. We can't get everything right 100%. Yeah. So no frustration because it's okay. you know. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.